You think you're rational? That every choice is yours, but your emotions decide before your mind ever does. Robert Greene calls it the law of irrationality. The truth is pitiless. You are not a thinking machine. You're an emotional creature that rationalizes after the fact. From the moment you're born, your brain learns to react before it thinks. That reaction becomes your truth. That truth becomes your belief. And when your beliefs are threatened, your emotions explode while your reason quietly steps aside. This is how politicians control you, how marketers manipulate you, how lovers deceive you. They trigger emotions, and they let you to build the illusion of choice. To break free, power begins with awareness. When emotion rises, pause, observe, don't react. The moment you trigger, watch it, like it's someone else. Because only when you see the irrationality can you begin to master it. Robert Greene didn't write this law to scare you. He wrote it to awaken you, because until you confront your inner madness, the world will keep using it against you. This is just the beginning. In the next episode, we'll expose the emotional triggers that manipulators use to control you without a word. Subscribe, watch closely, and remember, you're not as rational as you think.